Have you ever sat in a crowded room, feeling like you're the only one not truly present? It's that peculiar mix of wanting to be part of the laughter, but feeling trapped by an invisible barrier. Maybe you're at a party, surrounded by familiar faces, yet every word feels lodged in your throat. The fear of saying the wrong thing, or worse, being invisible, holds you back. You tell yourself, next time I'll be different. But when the moment arrives, that familiar anxiety grips you again. It's exhausting, isn't it? In those quiet moments, you find solace in knowing you're not alone. There are others who understand the weight of social anxiety, the constant battle with self-doubt. Imagine a world where your fears don't define you. Start by taking small steps. Try grounding yourself in the present moment. Focus on your breath, the sensations around you. Let each inhale bring calm and each exhale release tension. Picture yourself at that next gathering. Instead of the daunting crowd, see one familiar face. Approach them, share a simple hello, and build from there. Each small victory is a step towards freedom. Remember, it's okay to feel anxious sometimes. It's a part of being human, but it doesn't have to control you. Embrace your journey and celebrate every small win. As you stand here today, know that you are stronger than your fears. Embrace the present, cherish the connections you make, and step into each day with renewed courage. Your story isn't about the moments of doubt, but about the courage to rise above them. With each step you take, you're creating a path filled with light and possibility. So take a deep breath, smile, and know that you are never truly alone on this journey. Stand tall, move forward, and let your spirit soar.